Sponsored by VSK Business Consultants. Starting Real Estate FAQ. Buyers and Sellers. For property buyers. 1. Q. What's the very first step I should take when considering buying a property? A. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. This will give you a clear understanding of your budget. 2. Q. How do I find a reliable real estate agent? A. Seek referrals, check online reviews, and interview potential agents to find someone experienced and trustworthy. 3. Q. What is earnest money, and how does it work? A. Earnest money is a deposit that shows your serious intent to buy. It's held in escrow and applied to your down payment at closing. 4. Q. Why is a home inspection important? A home inspection reveals potential problems with the property, saving you from costly surprises later. 5. Q. What are closing costs for buyers? A. Closing costs are fees associated with finalizing the purchase, including loan fees, title insurance, and appraisal fees. 6. Q. What is the purpose of an appraisal? A. It is a professional estimate of the home's fair market value, and is required by lenders. 7. Q. What is a title search? A title search is to ensure that the seller has the legal right to sell the property, and there are no liens. For property sellers. 8. Q. How do I determine the right asking price for my property? A. Research comparable sales in your area and consult with a real estate agent for a comparative market analysis, CMA. 9. Q. What repairs or improvements should I make before selling? A. Focus on necessary repairs that impact value and curb appeal, like fixing leaks or updating fixtures. 10. Q. How do I stage my home for showings? A. Declutter, clean thoroughly, and create a welcoming atmosphere to highlight the property's best features. 11. Q. What is a listing agreement? A listing agreement is a contract with a real estate agent outlining the terms of the sale. 12. Q. What are seller's disclosures? A. Legal documents that require you to disclose any known defects or problems with the property. 13. Q. What are closing costs for sellers? A. Closing costs for sellers typically include real estate agent commissions, title insurance, and transfer taxes. 14. Q. How do I handle multiple offers? A. Carefully evaluate each offer based on price, terms, and buyer qualifications, and work with your agent to make the best decision. Stay connected with VSK Business Consultants. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more real estate tips and insights. Follow our WhatsApp channel for instant updates and exclusive content. Like us on Facebook for community discussions and property listings. Follow us on Instagram for visual tours and real estate inspiration. Trust VSK Business Consultants to guide you through your real estate journey.